Good morning, my name is Steve North. I'm an Operations Section Chief with Northwest Team 10 with an operational update for Monday, November 16th. On the fire today, we're going to continue. We have good weather, so today we'll be doing suppression repair throughout the fire. Here in Division Delta, we'll be continuing with that processing of the timber up there and suppression repair on the rest of the fire. The good news here is down in the southern end of the fire in Division X-Ray Yankee, we should be completing that work here in the next couple days, which will allow us to shift those resources and help with the effort elsewhere on the fire. After we shift those resources will still remain down in that area to patrol the bolts down here to make sure that nothing occurs. I'll be here till next Saturday. I thought it would be interesting to take that opportunity. I know you've been watching these updates for 90 some days now, and this will provide a good opportunity for you to ask questions about fire suppression, the things that we do on the fires, the terminology that you don't understand. So if you want to post a question onto Facebook, then tomorrow morning I'll come back and I'll answer those questions. The last thing I have to tell you here this morning is this on this open line. Once again, I've stated before, the black line means it's contained. This open line, this red hashtag thing, that is considered open line. So yesterday we had an MMA flight, which is an infrared flight, went over the fire, and it's still showing a little bit of isolated heat out there. But there is a very large portion of this that is showing absolutely no heat. So I just want to let you know we're going to have another flight on Wednesday, and if that validates that there's still no heat in those areas, a lot of this will turn black probably next Wednesday or Thursday. So you'll see our containment go up at that time. So that's it for today. Post your questions and we'll address those questions tomorrow. Have a great day.